Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mushroom soup using Campbell's. First, gather your ingredients and tools, like a can opener and a saucepan. Next, understand the basic steps for combining and heating the soup. We'll also cover how to customize it with extra flavors and discuss the best ways to serve and store your delicious creation. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need 1 standard can of Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. For the liquid, have 1 can of milk or water ready, depending on your preference for richness. If you like, fresh mushrooms can be sliced and sautéed separately to add a wonderful texture and deeper flavor. Don't forget basic seasonings like salt and pepper to taste. Combine the soup and liquid in a saucepan, stirring until smooth. Heat gently over medium-low heat or microwave in a safe bowl, stirring every minute. Avoid boiling to maintain the creamy texture. For a more substantial meal, stir in some cooked chicken or your favorite vegetables. Fresh or dried herbs, such as thyme or parsley, can elevate the flavor beautifully. Once heated through, your delicious mushroom soup is ready to serve. Enjoy it hot, perhaps with a side of crusty bread for dipping. A sprinkle of fresh chives or a small swirl of cream makes a lovely garnish. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and refrigerate promptly. It's best to enjoy your homemade soup within 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.